Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I just wanted to tell you guys about a fun little challenge, I guess, that we are doing. I am doing a collaboration with a couple of my friends, Tracy and Ashley. Ashley is on Creative Chaos. I think her numbers are 1733 or something like that, but I'll post her link below. And same with Tracy, I'll post her link below. Tracy hasn't committed to doing it, so I know that Ashley is doing it, and I'm not sure if Tracy is. But I want to invite all of you guys to join the collaboration too. And what we're doing is just making something wintry, something with a winter theme. It can be an art journal entry, it can be a card, it can be a pocket letter, a scrapbook page, a three-dimensional whatever. It doesn't have to be anything specific, but we're just making something just for fun, and we are going to all post it on Saturday the 27th of January. I haven't even put out my new calendar yet, so let me double check that date. Yes, Saturday the 27th of January. It doesn't matter what time you post it, just try to post it that day, and we will all title it maybe the same. I don't know. We'll do something so that everybody can see what everyone else is doing, and I think that it will be fun. So right now we're just going to call it a January collaboration, and hopefully we will do this every year, every month this year. That is the goal. So we will invite you early in the month and tell you the theme, and then later in the month we will post them all. So I will put some more details below in the description box so you'll know what to title it, and yeah, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you guys join us. Bye-bye.